A thick fog swirls as a sly Lego cat tiptoes into a dimly lit brick alley, eyes locked on a sparkling gem perched atop a crate. The cat glances side to side, then pounces, snatching the shiny prize with a triumphant flick of its tail. Suddenly, a hidden lever snaps. The crate bursts open, unleashing a flurry of bouncing rubber ducks and confetti. The startled cat leaps back, slipping on the confetti and tumbling into a conveniently placed trash bin. As the lid wobbles shut, a Lego mouse pops out, proudly holding the gem. Please like, subscribe for more fun. Share this with a friend.